Laboratory leadership shouldn't have to navigate the complexities of electrical and data infrastructure. Hiring electrical contractors can be time-consuming, risky, and often leading to delays and budget overruns. Enter NXT Level Services by NXT Power, a streamlined site preparation solution. We provide a turnkey pre-installation service that simplifies and protects the processes in place. Our experienced team specializes in crafting tailored solutions for your unique lab requirements, providing end-to-end project management. By minimizing disruptions to lab operations, we ensure a seamless transition to your new or upgraded lab environment. We have developed streamlined processes utilizing NXT Power's latest power protection solutions to ensure smooth and timely installations that are engineer validated and started up within each site. We offer the highest system reliability in the industry, ensuring minimal downtime and maximum productivity. By choosing our NXT Level services, you will hit go-live dates on time and on budget, eliminate the stress and uncertainty of traditional site preparation, maximize employee productivity. Ready to take your next project to the next level? Contact your diagnostic automation OEM and let's collaborate. Experience the future of site preparation with NXT Power.